Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best bed frames on Amazon. This one comes to us from ZINUS. It's their Misty model. It's an upholstered platform bed. It's got that upholstered headboard with button-tufted designs. This is just a super classic piece. It looks so cozy and comfortable. So if those are the vibes that you're going for, I just think this is gonna look really great in pretty much any space. It's a very classic, timeless design. You don't have to worry about it going out of style. And that's good because it's gonna last a really long time. In fact, ZINUS gives you a 5-year warranty. They really stand by their products. They make good stuff. This is going to be made out of really great materials, last a long time, and it even supports up to, if you get above a twin size, it's going to support up to 700 pounds. A lot of the beds that I've seen on Amazon are really more around that 500-pound mark, so you can tell that this is just going to be an even sturdier, more durable bed. This design comes in 3 different colors. They are all beautiful. I really like the taupe. I just think that is so clean and pretty and just calming. These are gorgeous beds. It's that platform slatted base. It's got wood slats as the base. That means that you don't need a box spring. I love that it's just a more modern design. It gets rid of the bulk. You just got that low profile, minimalist, just the mattress straight on the slats. I think that's better for the life of your mattress. It's more comfortable to sleep on. Plus you save money because you're not having to buy that box spring too. This is going to be really, really easy to put together. ZINUS, you guys, everything they make is just simple to put together. They have really, really clear instructions. Everything's labeled. It's going to come together really, really easily, well under an hour, and you are going to have this amazing bed that looks perfect in your space, getting a great night's sleep. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You're going to be so happy you did.